In this video, I'll show you how to make zip file on Android phone without internet. So right now, I'll show you the easiest way to make a zip file on your Android phone. First of all, we have to install an app. So go to your Play Store and you have to search for File Manager. And this is the actual File Manager app we are looking for. So install this File Manager app on your Android phone. And now it's time to make zip file. So from your app library, go ahead and just open the File Manager app that we just installed. And now you will directly jump into this interface. Here, if you want, you can select audio file, images, videos, apps, documents to make zip files. Or you can tap on main storage and you can manually go ahead and find out your files from your internal storage. In my case, I'm going to opening downloads folder, and here I'm going to hard pressing any of the photo. Once you've selected a single photo, now just repeat the process to select multiple images or files just like so. And here, as you can see, I've selected 7 files. Now to make zip file with them, just tap on this more icon and tap on compress and give here a name for the zip file and tap on OK, and the zip file will be export to the same folder. So I'm going to opening my files app and going to downloads folder, and in this download folder here, as you can see, the zip I just exported. So this is how we can make zip file in Android phone without internet.